What if I told you that a common household item could be your secret weapon against inflammation, arthritis, and even cancer? Keep watching to find out more. Hey, thriving beings, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our health and wellness tips. Today, we're diving into the magic of baking soda. This everyday ingredient isn't just for baking, it's a powerhouse for your health. From fighting inflammation to enhancing athletic performance, you won't believe what baking soda can do. Let's get started. 11. Baking soda fights inflammation. Inflammation is a huge culprit behind many diseases, causing pain and a whole range of other nasty symptoms. But did you know that baking soda might help? Yep, you heard that right. A 2018 study looked at the effects of drinking water mixed with baking soda on our bodies, and the results were fascinating. It found that baking soda helps create an anti-inflammatory environment in our bodies. So, here's the science bit. Our immune cells, called macrophages, usually send out attack signals when they detect a threat like a virus, causing inflammation. But baking soda seems to make these cells change their tune. Instead of sending attack signals, they send out calming messages, which helps lower inflammation. Experts think this could be a game changer for people with autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis, RA. Imagine a simple kitchen ingredient helping to ease chronic pain and discomfort. In the study, participants started with just 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda mixed in 20 ounces of water a few times a week. Gradually, they increased this to 1/4 teaspoon in the same amount of water. They sipped this throughout the day, and researchers noticed significant changes. Of course, it's super important to talk to your healthcare provider before you start using baking soda medicinally. You'll want to keep track of any changes, good or bad. And remember, this study only looked at baking soda intake over 2 weeks, so we don't yet know the long-term effects. Always ask your provider how long to use it. 10. Treating kidney disease. Did you know that baking soda could be a lifesaver for your kidneys? Yep, sodium bicarbonate, which we commonly know as baking soda, is an alkaline substance our body naturally produces. It helps maintain the pH balance of our blood and counteracts acids. This is super important because if you have poorly functioning kidneys, often due to conditions like diabetes or hypertension, your body struggles to remove these acids. This leads to a condition called metabolic acidosis. But here's the good news. Sodium bicarbonate can help. It promotes the production of nitric oxide synthase, which helps balance the pH of the blood. Studies have shown that taking sodium bicarbonate can slow down the progression of chronic kidney disease and might even reverse the onset of kidney failure. Incredible, right? A fascinating study conducted by British researchers treated patients with kidney disease and metabolic acidosis with oral sodium bicarbonate alongside their usual treatments. The results were astounding. They found that sodium bicarbonate significantly slowed the rate of kidney function decline by 2/3. This suggests that baking soda could be an effective adjunct therapy for patients with chronic kidney disease, helping manage metabolic acidosis and improve overall kidney function. These findings are backed by research published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology, which highlights how sodium bicarbonate slows the progression of chronic kidney disease and improves patient outcomes. It's exciting to see such promising results. 9. It might help improve cancer treatments. Let's get one thing clear. Baking soda is not a miracle cure for cancer. We're not there yet, unfortunately. However, baking soda does have a significant alkalizing effect, meaning it can neutralize acidity. This is crucial because many researchers believe that lowering the acidity of the environment around cancer cells could be key in battling the disease. A 2009 study published in Cancer Research suggested that an injection of bicarbonate could potentially decrease tumor pH levels and slow the progression of metastatic breast cancer. This is exciting because the high acidity of tumors can sometimes cause chemotherapy to fail. The chemical cocktail of chemo drugs struggles to penetrate these acidic environments. So scientists are now looking into combining antacid drugs with chemotherapy. While early studies suggest it might work, there's still a long way to go. We can't say for certain that baking soda can improve cancer treatments just yet. 8. It is good for oral hygiene. Do you hate that stinging sensation from mouthwash? You're not alone. But guess what? Baking soda is an awesome substitute. Sure, it might not taste fantastic, but it's way gentler and just as effective. To tackle bacteria and plaque, all you need to do is mix 1 spoon of baking soda with warm water. Swish it around in your mouth like you would with mouthwash. Easy, right? Baking soda's granular texture reaches all those tricky nooks and crannies between your teeth that regular brushing can miss. Plus, it has strong antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that help neutralize bacteria, keeping your gums happy and healthy. Got a mouth abscess or a canker sore? Baking soda can help with that too. Rinsing your mouth with a baking soda mixture can ease the pain and speed up healing. And here's the cherry on top. Baking soda is great for whitening teeth. Studies have shown that toothpaste containing baking soda is more effective at whitening teeth and removing plaque than regular toothpaste. Its abrasive properties break down tooth stains, giving you a brighter, more dazzling smile. 7. It provides relief from arthritic pain. Did you know that baking soda can help relieve arthritic pain? Recent studies suggest that baking soda strengthens your body's anti-inflammatory response, making it effective in treating rheumatoid arthritis, also known as RA. RA is an autoimmune disorder that targets your joints, causing painful swelling, stiffness, and reduced mobility. Because baking soda is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent, it can help reduce joint inflammation and the autoimmune response that causes it. A 2010 study published in the Journal of Immunology found that drinking a mixture of water and baking soda can reduce the risk of inflammatory diseases. After just 2 weeks of a group of healthy humans drinking the baking soda mixture, researchers observed that immune cells started focusing on reducing inflammation instead of attacking the joints. So, if you're struggling with arthritic pain, baking soda might be a simple and natural way to find some relief. 6. Alleviates urinary tract infections. Urinary tract infections, UTIs, are one of the most common infections, especially for women. If you've ever had one, you know how uncomfortable they can be. But here's some good news. Baking soda might help. According to a 2017 study, baking soda can have a positive effect on UTI symptoms. The study focused on female patients with lower urinary tract symptoms and acidic urine pH levels below 6. After 4 weeks of taking baking soda orally, researchers found that the urine of these women was alkalinized, leading to significant improvements in their symptoms. Baking soda appears to be an easy and inexpensive way to improve UTI symptoms, especially for those with acidic urine. Plus, it comes with little to no unwanted side effects, making it a great alternative to consider. If you're looking for a natural way to alleviate UTI symptoms, baking soda might just be the solution you need. As always, be sure to talk to your doctor to see if this method is best for you and your body. 5. Exercise enhancer. Did you know that baking soda can supercharge your workout routine? It's true. Baking soda can help neutralize lactic acid buildup in your muscles after a workout, potentially reducing soreness and speeding up recovery. Imagine soaking in a warm bath with half a cup of baking soda and feeling the soreness melt away. But that's not all. Research shows that consuming baking soda can also enhance athletic performance. A study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that taking sodium bicarbonate before intense physical activity can boost performance. Baking soda acts as a buffering agent, reducing muscle acidity during exercise. This means it can delay fatigue and improve endurance. Another study in sports medicine highlighted that athletes who ingested baking soda performed better in high-intensity activities like sprinting and cycling. The study concluded that baking soda helps buffer the lactic acid produced during intense workouts, leading to better performance. For best results, mix 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it 60 to 90 minutes before exercising. So, if you're looking to take your workouts to the next level, baking soda might just be the secret ingredient you need. 4. Baking soda might be your best natural deodorant. Ever wondered why some people seem to always smell fresh, while others struggle with body odor? It's not just about sweat. It's the bacteria breaking down that sweat into smelly, acidic waste. But here's a game changer for you: baking soda. Yes, that same kitchen staple can be a powerful ally in your fight against body odor. Here's how it works. Sweat itself is odorless. It's only when bacteria start munching on it that it transforms into those dreaded acidic smells. Baking soda steps in as the hero, neutralizing these odors by balancing out their acidity. It's no wonder that sewage plants and feedlots use it. Baking soda is a proven odor neutralizer. For a simple and effective solution, just dust a little bit of baking soda under your arms in the morning, using water or your favorite deodorant to help the powder stick. Note that baking soda could irritate your skin if you use too much, or if you have sensitive skin. So it's often best to put a very thin layer of it on your underarms to test it out for yourself. If your skin looks powdery from the baking soda, you've probably used too much. However, if baking soda does not work for your skin, or if you're noticing an unwanted powdery residue on your clothes, there's an easy fix. Look for stick deodorants that feature baking soda as a key ingredient. These offer the same odor-fighting benefits without the mess. But why stop there? You can also mix baking soda with coconut oil, shea butter, or cornstarch to whip up your own homemade deodorant. It's an easy DIY project that not only keeps you fresh, but also avoids the harsh chemicals often found in commercial products. 3. May aid digestion. Struggling with acid reflux or heartburn? Baking soda might just be the simple remedy you need. Also known as sodium bicarbonate, baking soda effectively neutralizes stomach acid, providing quick relief from digestive discomfort. When you ingest baking soda, it reacts with stomach acid to form carbon dioxide and water, which helps neutralize the acid. This reaction can bring rapid relief from that burning sensation we all dread. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology found that drinking a solution of baking soda and water can significantly reduce heartburn and acid reflux symptoms. Participants in the study reported a swift decrease in symptoms after consuming the baking soda solution, similar to the effects of over-the-counter antacids. Another article from BMC Gastroenterology backs this up, highlighting that baking soda can be a cost-effective and readily available alternative to commercial antacids. The key here is the proper dosage. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it slowly. This helps avoid potential side effects like gas or bloating. So next time your stomach's in a twist, consider reaching for baking soda. It's a simple, effective solution that's probably already sitting in your pantry. 2. May relieve pain and itching. Got an itch that just won't quit? Baking soda might be your secret weapon. Whether it's from bug bites, poison ivy, or an irritating bee sting, baking soda can come to the rescue. The National Eczema Association recommends using baking soda to relieve itching caused by bug bites. Simply add 1/4 cup of baking soda to your bath, or create a soothing paste with baking soda and water to apply directly to the affected area. For poison ivy, the FDA suggests a similar paste to ease itching and skin irritation. And if you've been stung by a bee, applying a baking soda and water paste for 15 to 20 minutes can help reduce pain. But why does it work? Baking soda is alkaline, which means it neutralizes the acidic toxins injected by insects and plants, providing relief from that annoying itch and discomfort. Research backs this up. Studies in the Journal of Dermatological Treatment and Clinical Dermatology have found that baking soda baths and topical applications can soothe irritation, reduce inflammation, and neutralize skin pH, making it effective for various skin conditions. Remember, while baking soda is generally safe for most people, it can cause skin irritation in some individuals, especially those with sensitive skin. It's always wise to consult with a healthcare provider before trying any new treatment, just to be on the safe side. So next time you're itching for relief, consider reaching for the baking soda. It's a natural, affordable remedy that might just do the trick. 1. Treats nail infections. Nail fungus. Talk about a frustrating problem. Whether it's your fingernails or toes, dealing with discoloration, thickening, and the risk of cracking nails isn't anyone's idea of fun. But fear not, because baking soda might just be the solution you've been looking for. Known for its antifungal properties, baking soda can effectively combat these fungal invaders. How does it work? Well, baking soda helps absorb moisture that fungi love, creating an environment less hospitable for their growth. Research suggests that applying baking soda directly to infected nails can hinder fungal development and aid in treatment. Here's how you can put it into action. Mix baking soda with water to create a paste. Apply this paste generously to the affected nail, leaving it on for at least 10 minutes before rinsing off. Repeat several times a day until you start seeing improvement. The alkaline nature of baking soda also helps balance pH levels on your skin and nails, further inhibiting fungal growth. Studies like those published in the Journal of Dermatological Treatment have confirmed baking soda's efficacy against nail infections, underscoring its potential as a cost-effective and accessible treatment option. So, don't let nail fungus get the best of you. Give baking soda a try and step confidently toward clearer, healthier nails. And there you have it, 11 incredible health secrets and hacks using baking soda. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing health tips. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.